has a problem. We've got to do something with this, guys. Wah, hari ini cucianku ada banyak loh.
Teman-teman, lihat si Kaylen sedang apa di situ.
Sepertinya dia membersihkan botol-botol berisi minyak goreng bekas. Lihat, banyak minyak goreng hitam menggenang. Lalu, itu siapa yang di ujung sungai sana? Si Enzo bukan? Sepertinya dia habis bersih-bersih rumah. Banyak sekali sampah yang dibuang di sungai.
Aduh, perutku sakit. Aku harus bolak-balik ke toilet.
Ini badanku gatal-gatal loh sejak tadi malam.
Astaga teman-teman, apa yang terjadi pada kalian?
Apakah kalian mandi di sungai kemarin sore?
Iya.
We need our forest hope. We need our food march. We want to see the sky blue. One day, in the ocean, I swim fast. I'm trying to hunt a jellyfish. And I bite a plastic bag. I thought it was a jellyfish. And now it is stuck in my head. And now I am really sad.
Rubbish in the sea. I am a little fish want to live in a clean and comfortable sea. Why the people like to harm the sea? The water became poisonous. I can see the dead fish everywhere. I lost my friend and family. I lost my habitat. Where should I go now?
We got our sadness for the long way round. Too many rubbish in the sea, and we sure would like the ocean be clean. And we're in pain today. What will you do when we're gone? When we're gone. temperatures high. Global warming, trash everywhere. The rainforest is dying and the green will be washed away.
We've got to find a way to keep things going without damage or cost of animal loss. So reduce and reuse and recycle. And you might believe that this doesn't matter to you, but lots of things we eat come from the plants and trees. Keep our environment clean. So let's all think about what we don't want to lose. How stuff is made and the things we use. It's time to think about what we really need. It's time to connect for sustainability.
At Earth, people mostly throw trash to beaches. Rubbish that are single-use are bad. Trees are getting cut. Have you think that you can help save the earth?
You know you can make the ocean living nice. I pick up the pieces, make the ocean clean. Painting stars up underwater, living wish that you could find some feeling, yeah, you know you can make the ocean living nice. I need you to care about the underwater living forever. We all should be the one to take responsibility. Take my hand and hold on. Let's do everything, make a better place. 'Cause we know how it feels to be the one. Feels to be the one who loses their hope. Don't you throw trash everywhere. Don't you throw trash everywhere. Keep your earth clean. Keep your earth clean. Before your earth turn into a rubbish pile. Keep your earth clean. Keep your earth clean. So don't make it into a dirty land. So keep your earth clean. You will have a happy life. Okay, good luck, yo.
If you've got a problem and you're wondering what to do, listen up, 'cause I have some advice for you. When there's a problem to solve now, what do you say? You say, I wonder what if, let's try. I wonder what if, let's try. Let's try.
Stop, Jay. Why do you throw so many papers? Because I keep doing it wrong, so I have to change many papers. Jay, do you know that it is wasting paper? Excuse me? I don't think I waste paper. Yes, you do, by throwing many papers. Do you know to produce a ream of A4 papers,
ready to be processed into sheets of papers.
5 years? Wow, that is so long.
Yes, it's so long. That's why we should sustain natural resources of our earth.
Why we should sustain our earth, Owen?
Because sustainability means that we should use natural resources wisely now and preserve them for the future. Trees produce oxygen. If we cut the trees down, the amount of oxygen will be lesser. As we know that living things need oxygen to breathe and live.
Ooh, interesting. Then what should I do if I do my homework wrong?
There is a way that Gigi can do to stop wasting paper.
Really? What is it?
You can use two sides of the paper for doing your homework. Therefore, you can save paper.
That's a good idea. I will try to do it. Now I can sustain the earth with simple action at home.
Kita harus menjaga sekitar kita. Jangan buang barang-barang dengan sia-sia. Siapa ingin minum air kotor? Tidak ada siapapun ingin begitu. Think you own whatever land you land on. The earth is just a dead thing you can claim. But I know every rock and tree and creature has a life, a spirit, has a name. You think the only people who are people are the people who look and think like you. If you walk the footsteps of dreams, learn things you never knew. Have you ever had a look back to the blue moon? Or asked the learning bucket why he green? Can you sing with all the voices on the mountain? Paint with all the colors of the wind. Paint with all the colors of the wind. Come on, guys, let's make up your mind. If you agree that we need to protect the earth, state your pledge on the ballot link given by your teachers. And do as you say for real. Act now for a better world.